It is super nice to see you today. And today we're gonna make a chili oil recipe that will taste good with any dishes. Let's get started. I rinse and dry all the spices and chilies today. And to grind the chili peppers in a grinder, add the dry red chili peppers and lantern chili peppers. We use two types of chili peppers because they're different in taste. The lantern chili peppers are very aromatic. And we're gonna grind until they become powder. Transfer the chili powder to a bowl. And now we're going to add paprika powder in it. Traditionally, paprika isn't used, but it's going to add a really beautiful red shade to the chili oil. Also add in toasted sesame and salt. Whisk and set aside. Add half teaspoon of rice wine in the red Sichuan peppercorns. To prevent the peppercorns from getting burned later, this type of peppercorn are known for its amazing aroma. Also add half teaspoon of rice wine in the green Sichuan peppercorns. We use two types of peppercorns here because the green ones are more numbling than the red ones. Now in another bowl, we're gonna mix in all the spices and herbs. So we have cinnamon, black cardamom, star anise, Chinese licorice root, cloves, bay leaves, dry orange peel. Also the Sichuan peppercorn that were mixed in the wine, ginger, and garlic. Now in a wok over lowest heat, we're gonna pour in extra light olive oil and heat it up for about a minute until the oil is about 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. So traditionally, Sichuan people use rapeseed oil or 菜籽油 for this chili oil recipe, but I prefer extra light olive oil. It has a light taste and has a smoking point of 465 degrees Fahrenheit or 241 degrees Celsius. You can also use other high smoking point oil for this recipe. Now we're gonna put in all the spices and herbs. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. And then we're gonna turn off the heat and let it soak for another 20 minutes in the oil. Now we're gonna remove all the spices and herbs. Over high heat, continue to heat up the oil until smoking hot. Turn it off and let it cool for about 3 minutes. Pour half of the oil in the chili pepper mixture. And whisk immediately. And pour the rest of the oil in it. Whisk. And lastly, pour in the Chinkiang vinegar to prevent the chili oil from burning. Because the oil is still very hot, the vinegar will mostly evaporate immediately. Wow. Ooh, it's spicy. Ooh. But I can also taste all the herbs, like the garlic, the ginger. It is super aromatic and delicious. So I hope that everyone enjoys this chili oil recipe that goes with anything. Maybe not dessert, unless you want to eat chili oil with ice cream. Maybe not. Alright, so I'll see you again next Friday. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I like to also stay in touch on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. I'll see you Friday. Bye for now.